Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha and this is Divon Creations. Today, I would like to do an unboxing of my new Cricut maker. Yes, I do have a Cricut maker back here, but this is my new Cricut maker. And I want to bring you along on opening this up. If you're interested, stay tuned. All right, are you ready to dive into the Cricut maker? Let's see what comes in the box. Are you excited? Are you thinking about getting a Cricut maker? Now, yes, I already have a Cricut maker. Yes, I do. So this is how it would come. It would have a brown box, and then it would be inside of that box to keep it protected and keep from everyone knowing what you have in your mail. So we're going to see what's on the inside. Sorry about that. Go ahead and lift you back up here. All right, so the first thing we see here is let's get started. Oh, look at this. All right. Materials for your first project. So nice. Look at that. So we're going to go ahead and get this open. So it looks like our first project. It's a card. And we have some fabric. So if you're brand new to Cricut, I want to let you know they always send a first project with every machine. So we're going to go ahead and set this to the side. And inside we have our rotary knife for when cutting fabric. This is for fabric only. There we go. And we have useful links on the back. This is the manual right here, and it's online also. And that's it. So we're going to go ahead, put all this back in. We'll deal with this in a moment. I'm going to put this to the side. So let's go ahead and get our machine out. And they have it packed very secure. And here it is. Just want to sit it down because it is very heavy. Sorry, here's the cords. And it does come with two mats. The blue mat, which is a light grip mat, and the fabric mat. So now that everything is out of the box, let's go ahead and let's look at what we have here. Okay, so we have our cords, we have our two mats, and we have the maker. So we'll go ahead and get the sticker off. And like I said, this is packed very well. As you see, it still has plastic. Around it. Go ahead and put this to the side. Okay, I'm going to bring you in just a little closer. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get the plastic open. me a beauty? Oh, this is so beautiful. Let's go ahead and open her up. I'm going to make sure you take these off. You don't need these anymore. And I see we got clamp A. Let's bring you a little closer. Okay, we have clamp A. And this is for your pens, Cricut pen. For example, here's your Cricut pen, goes in there. It's also for your score pen, which does not come with the machine. You do have to buy that separately. And clamp B, this is for your blades, which now we have. Okay, let's get that open. This is your normal blade. This is for your cardstock. Sorry, this is for your cardstock, vinyl, sticker paper, and a host of other cutting material. And the rotary blade is for your fabric and your, let's see if I can get it out here. And this is your knife blade. Does not come with the machine. You can buy it separately. And it is amazing. I do have a video on how to use your knife blade. So we'll go ahead and put this back. Snap that back in place. Now we're going to go ahead and plug it in. Okay, now that I have my new Cricut maker and it's home on its shelf where it's nice and safe, right above my alcohol markers, right next to my nice cup that I like to put some things in. I've already plugged it in, but I have not turned it on. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on for the first time together. And another thing, if you are familiar with Cricut machines, you would notice with the new machine, we no longer have the push button to open, and the knob that will be here is gone. Everything with the Cricut maker will be online. All we have here is the on and off button, the arrow button that you have to use to put your mat inside and take the mat out. We have the Cricut button, which starts your project, and we also have the pause. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Now it's on. So the next step is now connecting my computer to this Cricut maker. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to come over here. Now currently I am signed in, and I would like to do our first cut together. So we're going to go here, and I believe it's a new machine setup. And I do apologize for this. I'm trying to get you in. Here we go. So let's get started. I've done these steps. I have turned it on. It is now looking, because it is plugged in to my computer. It is letting me know that there was an update, so we're going to go ahead and update. This should only take a few moments. And I'm not speeding it up or anything. This is how fast that it's going. So we're not going to do the first project. We're not going to do that. I want to go ahead and log in. Okay, it looks like okay, so I'm still logged in, which is good. All right, so now that we have our Cricut all set up, it's time to do a project. Here on Design Space, I have chosen a project which I think is very cute and very fun. It's going to be a box, and we're going to decorate the front of it with a onesie with a little elephant. And this box is included in, this box is from Design Space. So here it is $1.98 to make this exact project. And again, if you do not want to pay $1.98, you don't have to. You can just search Cricut's catalog and choose a similar image that is free. So here, before we begin, I made sure I pulled out all my paper that I would like to use on this project. Here we go. And here's the mat. Now this is not the brand new mat that came with Cricut. This is the mat I already have. I don't want to have to open a new mat just for a project, so I'm going to use what I've already had.